Hey everyone, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. I'm rushing back to the shack. Why am I rushing back to the shack? Well, I just found out there's a brand new digital mode that I want to start playing with tonight. FT2. That's right, another digital mode. I'm pretty excited about it. I love changing technologies. I always gripe about ham radio being like archaic, like we still hold on to CW after all these years where the regular world has made it a distant memory. We still hold on to CW. But this video is not about CW and not about the debate about CW. This is about FT2. So FT8 has been around for a while. FT8 is 15-second transmission. 12.5 seconds of that is data transfer, and the rest of the time is decoding. FT4, 7.5 seconds. FT2, get this, 3.8 seconds. That's crazy. That's a fast QSO. And the van is still FT8, although it's long and slow. It can work up to minus 20 dB, where FT2, minus 12, minus 13 dB in that range somewhere. So it needs a better signal, where FT8 kind of worked better on weaker signals. But, we'll see how things play here. What else can I tell you? It's experimental. It's really, really new. From what I understand, it works with WSJT-X 3.0. So we're going to go in the shack and see if we can get this thing to work. It's that new. I haven't even seen it yet myself, other than from a few YouTube videos and some random chat from some groups, which I'll post in the pinned comment below for to go and check it out. All right, I got to get in here. I'm super excited about this. So FT2 was developed by Martino Barola. I hope I got his name right. Italy Uniform 8, Lima Mike Charlie. So thanks, Martino, for this. We're going to look and see how to get this running on WSJT-X. So bear with me while I go and have a look. All right, so just learned no Mac support right now. So we have to break out the Windows machine. Now, what did I do with that Windows machine? Haha, the Windows laptop. Let's go see if we can get this thing working on here. Okay, so we're gonna download WJT-X 2.7 for the Windows machine here, 64-bit. Go to VA3DXR's website. Click on this link here, the fastest digital mode in amateur radio. And I'll put a copy of this on my outandabout.ca website as well, so we have it there. The instructions are going to be here. So FT2 currently uses Decodium, a modified version of WSJT-X, developed by the IU8 LMC team. It's a Windows 64 application. So go to the official HamPass FT2 page. I'm going to put this into a new tab here. So let's go and get the download Decodium 3.0. Of course, it's an RAR zip file. Why can't you use zip? There's a 95 meg file. All right, so we got the file almost downloaded here. Just 20 more megs to go. Could be slow because the server's probably getting hit pretty hard. Everybody's jumping on top of this. There's also a frequencies file that you have to download as well. When I get to that stage, I'll let you know about it. Just tells WSJT-X what frequencies for FT2. The instructions say to copy these files into the WSJT-X folder. Let's go confirm that just to be on the safe side. Instructions. So download and install WSJT-X. We did that. Download and uncompress the Decodium file into the same WSJT-X folder. Okay, the last step in our steps here on HamPass was to import a QRG file into WSJT-X file settings. So we got to get that QRG file. So let's go find that. So here's WJT-X. We're going to find that QRG file that we downloaded. I think it's going to be my download folder here. Here it is, the FT2 bands QRG. Replace working frequencies. Yes. Okay, looks good. So we should be in business here. And here we go. Here's the sound. That's FT2, folks. Now we're just going to get it all working on the laptop here. And when I get it figured out, I'll show you on the screen what I did. Okay, we got it all installed and configured here. Just to kind of go through some of my settings here. Again, your settings are going to be a little different. Again, this is all new, so I'm still learning as we go here. But I've turned on the prompt media log QSO. I'm using Grid Tracker to push those into QRZ. We'll make sure that occurs once we do a first QSO. If you have any logging software like N1MM or N3FGP or anything like that can use UDP or TCP/IP, you could set it here. This is under the reporting tab. I've imported that frequencies list from that QRG file. The rest of them are just like custom things you can do. Your radio settings, of course, your audio, and your general settings. What you want to see here. Again, you can customize this any way you like. All right, we're starting to see traffic here. Let's go see if we can do a DX call here. Let's go and it's got auto CQ, that's cool. Let's just go enable TX. There we go. We're sending a transmission out. It's really fast, 3.8 seconds. Let's see if somebody responds. I gotta figure out how to mess around with this color thing. I don't like the way the colors are. So let's just make sure we can get a QSO first. There we go. Got our first QSO in with K5UHF on FT2. Let's go to our QRZ here. And there it is. Boom, it's in my QRZ. It says FT2, and the mode says FT2. To change out dark style under the view button, the view menu here, just go unselect dark style. Let's see what happens. It's thinking. I'm getting the circle of death. There we go. That's much better now, isn't it? All right, let's see if we can make another QSO here. So let's go and try to call CQ here and see what happens. I got my auto sequence on with CQ first. All the other settings appear normal. Try the auto CQ feature. Papa Yellow 2, Whiskey Charlie. It went into QRZ automatically. Perfect. All right, there we go. A very, very basic introduction, folks, to FT2. I hope it made sense. It wasn't as easy to install because I haven't used this laptop in a long time. But I do want to get this video out, so we're going to go ahead and edit it up the way it needs to be edited here, and then we'll get it posted on the YouTube channel, and we'll continue to learn. Maybe we'll have another video on FT2 here shortly. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot. Good luck out there. Have fun.